So if you have a DR solution right now that you leverage that requires you to handle everything from the VPN stand up to your port forwarding, that's going to take you time. That's very a heavy load that the customer has to take on. And as a customer that is in a DR scenario, the last thing that you have time for is to do more work than you should be. But finding a solution that can automate what makes sense is very helpful. And then not just in the failover process, but also in the failback process. So when you're gotten through that disaster and you're ready to fail back to that on-prem infrastructure, if you're not going to continue running forever in the cloud on an infrastructure service-based solution, then you want to be able to fail back and smoothly. That shouldn't be a huge headache for the customer. The third problem that we see with existing DR solutions is unknown or non-established RPO and RTO and ways to know if you're falling outside of that. So if you don't know your current RPO and RTO that your backup and DR solution offers, then that's your first red flag. In order to properly assess your DR plan and provide that information, whether it be to auditors or internal higher ups, then you have to have a benchmark of that RPO and RTO. And it's amazing how many companies I talk to that say they don't know what theirs is. They think they'd be okay with 24 to 48 hours. But then if you were to talk to the president of that company, it's a whole different scenario. They would love to have that data back up and running, if not instantly, then within an hour. And so knowing what those RPOs and RTOs are and then testing those to that solution is a very large proponent of your DR solution.